Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Pick 3. I have Squinkies Squashies. I also have my personal checklist. So, we're going to be opening these and see if we can't get some people checked off. As you can see, I've had some luck with the ultra rares. There's a little turtle I really want, and I want to get this Sasquatch pretty bad. So let's see if they're in any of these. These I have only been able to find at Walmart. So they might be available at other stores, but I've only seen them at Walmart. They come in these cute little gumballs, and you get 2 inside, each in its own little ball. So the first one we have, I believe, is named Peggy Pounce. She's a little kitty. I might need this color, but I honestly can't remember. She's adorable, though. Let's open up our next one. Oh, that's cool. I've never seen this one before. According to my checklist, this is Teddy Cakes. Very cute. Oh, and he's also a rare. Awesome. Let's open up our next one. Oh, this is a duplicate. This is Peta Picnic. And, oh no, this is a duplicate for this video. We have Peggy Pounce again. Alright, well, moving on. We have, oh, this one's so cute. I've never seen it before. I believe that this is a pink version of Flopsy Felix. So very cute. I've gotten the blue version before. Alright, last one. Okay, usually this doesn't cause me any problems. There we go. I can tell it's somebody orange. Oh, cute, it's this little monkey. This is a duplicate for me. Very cute. Well, I got a lot of duplicates in this video, but I have opened quite a few of these already. If I had to choose a favorite, it would either be the new husky or the little bear with a crown, because they're very cute. Anyway, that's all I have for you in this video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!